Let's create your first animation. We'll build a simple message bubble icon from scratch and bring it to life with scale and rotation. If you already have an SVG or Lottie file, you can import it directly, but today we're starting from zero to show you the full process. First, we'll draw our message bubble. Using the rectangle tool, add the first rectangle and then adjust the radius. Now, add a square and rotate it 45 degrees to create the tail of our bubble message. Adjust its radius as well. Let's also change the color so everything stands out clearly. Now, select both shapes, group them together, and give the group a name. Just double-click on the layer name in the panel and type Message Bubble. Now let's animate. Select your message bubble group. We'll add two animators, Scale and Rotate. Select Scale from the animator list. Do the same for Rotate. Notice how each animator creates its own timeline track. This is where we'll define our motion. Start with Scale. At the beginning of your timeline, set the scale to 0. Your bubble is invisible. Move the playhead to around 1 second and set the scale to 1.1, slightly larger than normal. Then at 1.5 seconds, bring it back down to 1. This creates a bounce-in effect. Now for a subtle rotation. At the start, set rotation to -10 degrees. At 1 second, rotate to +5 degrees. And at 1.5 seconds, return to 0. This gives our bubble a playful wiggle as it scales in. Hit play to preview your animation. Great! You've just created your first SVG animation.